The Malaysian Anti-Corruption Commission's MACC fight against corruption and illegal logging saw 1,570 logs worth 1 million ringgit seized at 49 locations throughout Sarawak under Ops Gergaji. MACC Investigation Department Director Dato Muhammad Jamidan Abdullah in a statement said the Commission would call the owner of the logging companies sawmill owners where the logs were seized. The MACC has also frozen 405 bank accounts of companies and individuals worth 600 million ringgit to facilitate investigations. Dato Muhammad Jamidan said since Ops Gergaji was initiated on May 12th, 14 people, including directors and managers of sawmills and log ponds, have been identified for investigations.